DIYers, it's Chris O. How you doing? What I've got here is things are a little bit tricky, but I'll show you how I'm going to be doing it. This is a stainless steel strip drain, so I can't cut it down. The aluminium ones I can, and then you just fit the ends in. This is a pre-made stainless steel one. It's all in one. So what I'm doing here is I need to slope the sides The other thought I had yesterday was I push it right to that wall like that, and then I just slope this side down like that. But the trouble is there, my hole is in the wrong place and it's all pre-made, so that's what I've got to work with, which is fine. I can get around that. I'm a tiler. Right, so that there is my slope. I've got heaps of nice fall. There, so I've got probably 15 mil fall, which is nice, beautiful for the strip drain. What I'm going to be doing though is that is a little bit skinny to slope my tile down. Oh, I will be doing that, but it's a little bit skinny to try and form my mud. So I'll come straight through to my aluminium at that angle, straight through and straight through the wall, and then I'll build my piece up with glue to suit. So we're home and hose. I'll do that flat, and I'll build that up with glue as well, because it's a lot smaller. Like it goes from there, comes through there, up here to nothing. So it's going to be a little bit tricky, but I can't move it to the wall like I said, because the hole is in the wrong place. But it's cool, we'll get around it, and I'll show you more as we go on. So now I need to get that down to that height, and then I can just lay my tile and pack it with a bit of glue accordingly. So we're home and hose. Okay, I'll see you soon. Oh well, I'll show you how I do this. I should use a smaller, a little bit smaller. So I want to be able to build it up. It's a little bit of a test for Chris O, but hey, you get around anything. Nothing is impossible, they say. Let's see if it's all right for level. Little bit tricky DIYs, but hey. If I can show the DIYer a little bit of a tricky spot that we're in. You don't say, oh, I can't do that. You don't say that to the owner. Everything can be done. Okay, that's not bad. That's a mill out. It needs to be lifted just a little. I need to cut that down so I can just check that height. Make it a bit skinnier. I'm laying this floor. My goal today is I'll screed this floor, then I'm sticking down the toilet and I'm sticking down the laundry floor. I want to get that done today as well, so then I can start the walls tomorrow and get them their toilet back. Yesterday I was just here to put on my primer sealer. Today it's full on. We're into it, DIYs. So I'll just make that a bit skinnier. So I've set myself up here outside. I can mix my glue and the rest of my mud out here. I'm cutting out here, so it's the ideal job. I love bathrooms and laundries and everything like this because I can work right there, right beside where I am. Two-story places, they're a bit of a pain. Okay, my mud is lower, it's not too high, so that's good. I can build everything up now with my glue. That's cool. Right, so now I can, this floor I'm laying flat and level. I'm not going to try and fall it to my waist, not when I'm using 6x6 tiles. No, you lay it all flat. Okay, on to the next. Right, so we're home and hose there. Check the fall. You always make sure that you're nice and flat. It's all sloping that way, but you're nice and flat for the 6x6 tile, that is, so it's all lovely bubbly. So I'll be going off that aluminium there to get my height, and we're off. It's going to be a semi-frameless shower screen with an opening door, but a semi-frameless has aluminium at the bottom, so it'll be going over that aluminium. So what I'm doing is I'm going flush to my aluminium like that, and it all gets covered, which is lovely. I don't have to have a hidden water stop like other showers that I do sometimes. Okay, I'll see you soon. Stay tuned, lean in, press the subscribe button. I'd love you to come along on the journey. We'll see you soon. Bye.